Basketball hoop. Woohoo! Nice colors. Look, a bridge. That's a police telephone and lawn ornaments. Gnomes. Little gnome house. Or chicken on a run. Chicken, chicken. Bark, bark, bark. Ponies. That's a pony. And bark, 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 bark. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Quack, 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 yeah. Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack. Quack, quack, quack. Trailhead, indigenous fishery, and north arm of the Fraser River. Airport. Welcome to Vancouver. Cat in the window. Bumper sticker. Ah, check it out, a football field. Subway train construction. Wow, subway train construction. Whoa. It's the train! The train! Toot toot, beep beep, train! Tug, look at that! It's a tug with a big load of white stuff on it. Yeah, it's a tug. Hey, check it out. A political sign, an old political sign. It's not a sign, but it's a button. It counts just as much. Hey, thanks, birds and bees. Oh, sunset over English Bay. Here we go. Look, there's the goddess of Vancouver out in the distance over there. Freighters.